Santa. Oh, it says, "Dear Nellie, my name is Bert." Are you Nellie? You Nellie? Yeah. Santa has sent me to keep an eye on you in the lead up to your first Christmas. Seeing as I'll be a house guest, I couldn't come empty-handed, so I bought you a basket of treats to enjoy. But remember, I'm always watching out for good or bad behaviour. And I will be reporting back to Santa. You won't want to be placed on the naughty list, that's for sure. Yours faithfully, Bert. P.S. It's cold outside. What's all that? Can you see yourself on the camera? What's all this? That's it. Good girl. Okay, go. Always go for the chocolate first. I like that idea. Thank you. What else have you got? What else is in there? Let's put the basket.
Yeah.
You're going to open it? Nellie?
Baba, pull.
Pull. Not straight, pull. That's it. Don't eat it.
Not that bad.
No, that's it.
Pull.
She's like, leave off, it's fine. Bless you. Oh. Say good morning, everyone. What have you got stuck on the side of your head? Say good morning. Is that you? You trying to get in Santa's bag? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas. It is, as I film this, the 1st of December, so Nellie's just opened her 1st of December box, which took a long time. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, because I'm in my eye. Oh no, they're Sharpies, you can't have them. No. So yeah, it's the 1st of December. Obviously, excuse how I look. I haven't had a chance to brush my hair yet. But I've obviously been filming a little bit in advance because life is chaotic. Where are you off to now? Oh, she's going out the door. Bye then. Do you not want to stay with Mummy? Do you not want to stay with Mummy? Where are you going? Oh. Bye then. Bye. No, that's my bills. I'm just glad that I didn't do it as a Christmas Eve box because I think we'd still be there on Boxing Day just opening that. Oh, I can't work out where I'm to. There we go. She's gone out now. Also doing a little advent calendar for Nellie where she gets a new book every day, but I'm going to get her to open that a little bit later on. Let her enjoy what she's already got. Which, to be fair, I could probably show you. Obviously, you saw the like popping up. I don't know what you call it with the animals. That toy. And then I also got How cute is this little reindeer? My first Christmas. And I also found this tatty teddy in Home Bargains. This one was from TikTok. This was from Home Bargains. Then when we were at the garden centre, we saw this and I just fell in love with them. They did all different sizes and they were really reasonably priced. I can't remember where the letter to Santa bag was from. I think it was somewhere like Poundland or something earlier in the year. So I picked that up quite a while ago. Then this is actually a dog toy, but I thought it would also make a good ornament kind of thing, a little bit display item. But it does squeak. And it does get a reaction from the escapee. And then a reindeer wash mitt, which again I believe was from Home Bargains. They had some different designs. And then I'll try and put a picture on screen of this because it doesn't look like much, but I picked up this bath toy from TikTok shop. And we got her some chocolate buttons, although I haven't given her any yet. Yeah, and then I just wrote a little letter from the elf, and she also had her letter from Santa as well. So yeah, that is what we picked up, and then I just put it in a hamper basket that we already had. Yeah, right now I'm trying to drink my cup of tea, but I've got an escapee. Plan for today, I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do throughout the day, so I thought I would just potter around, see what we get up to. Obviously take you with me because it's Vlogmas. I don't know how festive some of the vlogs are going to be, but we have got a couple of events booked in, so yeah, we shall see. I also want to try and do a little walkabout of some of the local Christmas lights, because there are some really lovely houses already. There's a couple of charity ones as well, so I want to try and do that. I don't think Trinity Rise, unfortunately, do it anymore. If you're a long time subscriber, you'll maybe remember my Vlogmases of the past, before they all went, in which we went to Trinity Rise in Burnham-on-Sea, because that street is amazing. But yeah, as I say, I don't think they're really doing it anymore, which is a shame, because that was really an amazing display. Other than that, I'm not sure what Vlogmas has in store for us, but as it is Nellie's first Christmas, I'm sure there'll be a few bits and bobs along the way. Yeah. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Oh, dearie me. One thing I'm hoping you will get to see on Vlogmas is that it's not always sunshine and roses. And right now Nellie is struggling with a bit of constipation. I think she's a bit dehydrated. So obviously it's really, really painful, and the screams when she's trying to go to the toilet are so scary, like horrible. So I'm hoping that she's just going to settle down for a nap now and maybe feel better when she wakes up. But who knows? I'm just going to sit and edit a video, have a cup of tea. I need to make lunch. Like, so much going on. But yeah, it's not nice when they're poorly, is it? But fingers crossed we can get some water into her and she may start to feel better soon.
What?
What did you think of Doris yesterday?
Poor old Doris.
Poor old Doris lost her coat. Oh, I just can't believe that Doris leant on that car bonnet that was clearly hot because we'd all been sat in the traffic for quite a while. And she leant on it and stopped him from moving just so she could have a breather. And the bit I don't get is he didn't say anything. He just like sat there and looked like, oh.
Yeah, but like, to be fair, like I wouldn't say anything either.
Some people would have beat their own and given her a heart attack. Poor Doris. I honestly thought the first car she leaned on was her, like something to do with her, not that she was just leaning on it to eat a sandwich with her sticky fingers. I worry about Doris.
I was just say,
I'm hoping she managed to find which coach was hers because she was very baffled that one coach was driving off.
Well, yeah, one was going and the rest of them were all white.
She don't know which coach she's on. She's going to end up somewhere else. She's going to end up going somewhere different, I bet.
She's now exploring.
And then there's that other lady that was like trying to hurry but going at the pace of a snail, bless her. The coach should have just come and picked her up.
So yeah, just stick out your thumb.
Oh
Bye,
dear.
bye, driver.
You've been holding me ransom. Have you? You've been holding me ransom. Oh. Always got to interfere. You haven't blown it up any more than I did. Oh God. Nellie, incoming. Which bit do you reckon's going to go off first, or where do you reckon our first hole's going to be? Is that a plane? Oh!
Feed.
Oh, yeah, but it's crashing. Okay, there's the end of the plane.
And this one? No, that one. This one. Where's that one? Oh, I see. Miss Rachel stops so you're no longer playing. Don't know. Like...
Do you know what you've got? Should we open it and see? Should we open it? Wow. You gonna pull it? And then you pull the paper. Look at that. You can't eat the paper, darling. It says, when Granny saved Christmas. Should you have a look? See what it says. Move that one out of the way. It says, this little tiger book belongs to Nellie Rose. Oh, there's some snowmen. We didn't have enough snow for snowmen, did we? It says, yippee, it's nearly Christmas, sang Bubble. And we're going to Granny's, added Squeak, as he helped Mummy pack his snowflake pyjamas. Film night, my choice. What we're watching?
For mommy.
Yeah, but you like that film too.
Well, I love it.
that I only like the first 5 minutes.
Why do you only like the first 5 minutes?
Because they're on the rob.
Oh, sounds like you, yeah. How's your out-of-date cakes?
Lovely.
Yeah, I've got one to try, don't
I
worry.
was just going to say that I've only had 3 and there's 4 missing.
You said I could have one.
Hmm?
You said I could have one.
Mm-hmm.
Daughter's not quite asleep yet.
She's asleep enough for me to not worry.
She's not crying, that's the main thing.
It's been a long day.
It has been a long day.